There's something out there making a sound that's kind of scary. But every time I turn on the camera, so I'm going to be patient here until we hear it. There it is. What makes that sound? Bobcat maybe?